In the WordPress admin bar, click Edit with Elementor. I'll walk you through each step using Elementor so that you can feel confident editing your site anytime. Each page is structured into containers. If we hover over these sections, we can see them outlined in magenta. And we have container handles here as well. This structure panel is helpful to quickly select containers on our page. And if you toggle the visibility of containers, that can help you identify them. I'll hide the structure panel for now by using Command-I on a Mac keyboard or Control-I on a Windows keyboard. Let me scroll down, and to add a new container, hover over an existing container and click on this plus icon. That will show you options to add new content. To move a container, hover over an existing container until it shows the container handle. Then drag it into a new position on the page. To remove any container, simply click on the X. Containers hold the elements that make up the content of the page, like headings, text, buttons, and images.